Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Zuma is probably the only serious professional politician in this country. He has a massive constituency that supports him. Yes, but that's why I say Zuma is the only professional politician in South Africa. So he knows how to survive. So I agree with you there that, he's a tough customer. Those who want to remove him have to have much more smarts than Zuma, which I don't know that they have. To their peril, Jacob Zuma is a very, very smart operator. In the days of exile, Zuma used to run with his team operations for infiltrating South Africa from Mozambique and Swaziland. And the South African government tried everything in its power to close down those operations, and they couldn't. Zuma was always outsmarting them. So he was several steps ahead of them. So he's a smart operator. Now, to sort out that they had to force the Mozambican government to remove him from Mozambique, which is why they signed the Nkomati Accord.
Inhloso evile namhlanje ayikona ukuthi ufuna ukukhuluma ngoJacob Zuma kodwa ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalento enzeka lapha emaplazini eWestern Cape lapha imkhonto sizophatha uthatha igxathi lokuthi awungenelele ngoba abantu bengaphathekile kahle. Kune-video kekhishwa umkhonto sizophatha ibekhona emaplazini. Kune statement futhi esikhishwa umkhonto sizophatha kodwa singakangeni kulo ngicela uzwe la.
There's some indications that our politics is changing. We've seen some indications about this just in the last week. The idea that former President Jacob Zuma now campaigning for MK. And in a way, that's been the sort of dominant story going into this event, partly because of the way Fikile Mbalula, the Secretary General, responded to it. Is Zuma's MK really a threat to the ANC?
Well, some time back, and you and I were alive to the reality, there was something called tsunami. And there was also a union leader who said, if you stop JZ from getting into the State House or the union building, you will experience a tsunami. What am I saying? The second coming of a tsunami is well and nigh. Whether he will reach the State House is another matter. But he's really sweeping the country, undoubtedly. And I think the fear of the Lord is sent into those who had thought he might not come back again.
Angeke ngisho lutho. Ngidlala nje le video ukuthi uzwele bekhuluma laba bangama-analyst. Kodwa ngithe nje ngaphambi basingene kwi-video nje eyanamuhla asike sikhumbuzane ukuthi uma kukhulunywa ngoJacob Zuma kukhulunywa ngobani. Ngoba phela akukho la sotshelwa khona mhlambe bamlinde ukuthi athule bese kukhulunywa ngayeke ukuthi wayenjani wayenzani lapho engeke esaziphendulela lapho abantu bengeke bam-appreciate ukumbona ephila ukuthi wabamba iqhaza elithize endaweni ethize. Angifuni futhi ukumncoma ngoba angimazi kodwa nje ngiyafisa ukuthi ngicaphune nje lento lezi ezimbalwa ezikhuluma ngayo. Asiqhubeke nalo baba lo bese-ke siphuma kuye singena endabeni evideo namuhla.
No, it's not more about, for me, it's not about the Zuma or the Zuma factor. With or without him, I have a sense that they were still going to lose. But I think this is a precipitous action or move by JZ. He's making it almost impossible for them to receive 50+1. Make no mistake, don't underestimate the man. He's a wily politician. He's a chess master. And he knows the mood on the ground is receptive to anything that says anything but the ANC.
But Mbalula kwenye video, the only person who has defeated the ANC is Jacob Zuma. Washo njalo. Wathi uJabulani Khumalo, Jacob Zuma is the chess master. Ya ngithe nje ngaphambi basingene kwi-video namuhla. Asike sikhulume ngalo muntu ophethe le political party. Cela uzwe la.
If you are playing chess, you want to see how the day has moved. Looking at new moves, studying the mind of the opponent, anticipating what move they might take to counter yours and what will be your move. How to capture the king. Well, that's a major thing. How to capture the king. You can capture the king without taking any piece if you are clever. Because you don't think. You don't see a thing and conclude. You have got to sit back and think, so that your move, your action, must be emerging from thinking, calculating, looking at disadvantages and advantages, misleading your opponent to think that you are moving this way and that you are moving this way. It's an interesting thing.
Uzweleke ekhuluma yena akukho mina engabuye ngikusho nengathi ngiyakuphawula uzizwele njengoba ade bemncoma nje he's a chess master uyamuzwa mayikhuluma into asuka yenza kodwa ke asiyeke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Commanders, morning. Commanders, my name is Ayanda Khalo. I'm in the Western Cape. Currently, we are at the Overberg region in one of the farms, not so far from a place called Khabo. As you can see, workers are not happy at all due to the working conditions. If you look at us here, we're not angry. We are just peaceful. We are in the farm. As you can see, the workers are sitting there waiting for the owner to come in. We came from the location. Here are the taxis, and the people that are here are not only here simply because they want to be here, they do not want to work, but it's because of the pay. We're in a farm called Boomerang Fruits. Here is the farms. As you can see, the police are here. Everyone is here waiting for the owner. The owner is not showing up yet. But I'm not going to say a lot. I'll give it to her so that she can tell you exactly what are the main reasons for them to be outside for now. They are on go slow. The floor is yours.
Kamalam Musnelizwi, Fanyam Ntaka, ndisebenza on Boomerang Fruits. Andisebenzi kabuhlungu, andisebenzi kahle, sebenza kabuhlungu, ndilapha nje ungasebenzi kakuhle, and then apha ndiyasebenza but anayo indawo yoba ndisela phi etoilet, iuniform yam ndiyazibhatalela, itransport ndiyazibhatalela, itsalwa kum, payment yam ndiyasebenza i-week i-holidays, and then overtime and wabhatalwa ndisebenza 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock andibhatalwa. So ndilapha nje ndinezikhalazo zininzi, abantu baninzi bana 11 years abekho permanent, zininzi nje into sizenziwa apha kulo msebenzi, kudala nje sihlukunyezwa apha, abantu bethule. So ngoku sifuna uncedo, kudala sisebenza apha 11 years 10 years kudala sihlukunyezwa apha, silapha nje sizoncedwa, sifuna uncedo.
Ya okushiwo usisi la ukuthi basebenza kule farm, okubhlungu nje ukuthi amanzi okuphuza ufuna baphuze kumanzi asetoilet. Angazi lento yenzeka kanjani kodwa phela into eshiwo yibo ukuthi baphuza amanzi asetoilet. Impahla iuniform abasenza ngayo ithathwa kubo, imali etransport ithathwa kubo, mabesebenza overtime abakhokhelwa. Yikhalo lezi abakhala ngazo lapha abafuna usizo nje ababiza umkhonto wesizwe phansi. Kuthe ngelinye ilanga la senza ivideo lapho khona MEC noma deputy minister ngisakhumbula bekahlasele kulama fema kaSithebe, indawo kaSithebe kilapha eMandeni. Ehlasele kwaSithebe bathi abantu ngeke baze baye emaplazini ngoba emaplazini phela kusebenza amabhunu ayesatshwa. Kodwa igxathe elithathwe umkhonto wesizwe phansi uma ngempela amabhunu esatshwa likhulu kakhulu ukuthi basuke baqonde ngqo emaplazini amabhunu ngoba abantu bakithi bakhona basahlushwa lapha endaweni lezi amabhunu. Xa abantu basebenza from 7 kuze kuyoshaya 8 ebusuku. Yo, ayi mina kube yimi ngabe sengicomplainela, siqhubeke nabo sizwe.
Sibizwa ngoba xa sifuna imali zethu, sibizwa ngoba sizikafursi, sizi-idiots, and then athi umlungu better izinja kunathi, athi omnye kubhetha abantwana bakhe abana 6 years kunathi. Silapha nje sifuna imali zethu, uthi soza sinike kodwa basisebenzisa kabuhlungu. Mna ndilapha nje na 26 years, ndilapha na 26 years ndisebenza kabuhlungu mna.
lapha silapha nje thina somela icala lasemasimini le nto yenzeka ikhona strike abelungu bethu basibethanga so sinezikhalazo siphethe kakubi ndidriver sitsho nje ndiqhuba igandaganda but andazithatha andazibhebha imali endipeyayo eyoba ikadrayiva ndipeya imali elingana labanye abasebenzi so ndinayo enye idriver nami ndinayo lapha ecam kwam but andizibambi ndikuthetha yabo ndifuna isikakhulu acacise ubhuti njengoba idriver nami ndiyidrayiva le ndaba yathi sikakhulu akho nto ezinintsi ndizayithetha
usebenza eBoomerang leminyaka naqale 2014 ngengxaki efactory apha eBoomerang taleka fortnight imali sikhala zethu ezo nalapho sipasibisile ngesithubithi
sangizovusa amanxeba but siyafuna ukuthi South Africa yonke ukuthi yazi ukuqhubeka because we drove up kuSetheni kude I want to believe ukuthi niyazibhatalela ibhasi apho nihlala khona ale uniform yokubhatalela This is just one farm in the Western Cape. Masicingeni ukuthi zingaphi ezinye farma ezisokola ngohlobo sokola ngalo basokola ngabantu bethu ayisabhithi safuna nje yomamela ukuthi kwenzeka ntoni kwelacala lapho.
Esixolele-ke kwezinye indawo kunomsindo kakhulu ngoba bekusemoyeni, kodwa ezinye zezikhalazo lezi ey'phethe odadewethu, oma bethu, abobhuti bethu, obaba bethu, abafowethu laphaya abasebenza emaplazini, njengoba kushiwo la ukuthi akusibo bodwa kodwa labi laba abaphumela obala. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi nale senzo se-MK Party sizokwenza ukuthi nalaba abanye abahlukumezwayo emaplazini baphumele obala ukuze indaba zabo zi-attend, ngoba ngempela mawuzwa iy'nkulumo zabantu ngoba phela anginalwazi kodwa iy'nkulumo zabantu ziyakuvezela ukuthi abantu bakithi basahlukumezeka emaplazini. Ngakho-ke ngithi angikwazise kule video ngokwenzakalayo nokwenziwa i-MK Party le ngapha emaplazini. Asiqhubeke-ke sithathe indaba, ngicabanga ukuthi i-statement esibhalwe MK Party mayelana nalo lolu daba lwalapha eplazini leli ese-Western Cape. Asizukulifunda sonke i-statement, sizofunda lokho okubalulekile ngoba okuningi bakuchazile. Le statement Umkhonto weSizwe Party usikhiphe nge-28 April 2025. Sibhale kanjena: Umkhonto weSizwe Party, MK Party, imema wonke amamemba wemedia ukuthi afike eGrabhow Police Station ngoLwesibili langomhla ka-29 April 2025 ngo8:30 ekuseni, lapho khona kuyofakwa khona uvula icala le-racism, abuse kanye ne-exploitation. Icala leli lizobe livulwa on behalf of i-Boomerang Fruit Farm Workers, okungabasebenzi laba abahumulathiwe, baba discriminated, shuthi bacaswa ngobuhlanga, baphoqa ukuthi basebenze phansi kwezimo ezingezinhle futhi lezi ezithatha isithunzi sabo zisuse kubo zibenze babezizwe belula. Umqashi wabo lo oyi-racist uyaqhubeka yaba-exploiter, akababhadali ngokwanele abasebenzi. Njengomkhonto weSizwe Party bathi-ke bona siyenqaba ukuthi lolu daba lusale lithulekile nje, angeke sivume ukuthi kuqhubeke ubulungiswa obungenziwa. Ngakho-ke kuhlelwe kanje usuku uLwesibili lomhla ka-29 April 2025 namuhla isikhathi 8:30, ilocation eGrabhow Police Station, Main Road Grabhow, bayibhalele idate. Isona-ke statement lesi esibhalwe Umkhonto weSizwe Party, lapho khona becela ukuthi njoba behamba beya laphaya bafisa ukuthi i-media ibe ingxenye yohambo lwabo. Angifuni-ke ukukhuluma ngokubaluleka kwe-media manje, ngizokhuluma ngakho ngelinye ilanga, kodwa i-media ine-role enkulu eyidlalayo empilweni zethu thina abantu base-South Africa, kukhona udaba la olunganakwa kodwa ngenxa yokungenelela kwemedia athi ngenza umzekelo uyabona nje icala likaThabo Best ukungenelela kwabezindaba lenza ukuthi wonke umuntu wase-South Africa aqala libhekisise akukho lula ukuthi noma kuthiwa abantu abaliphethe licala ba-corrupt kangakanani bangakwazi ukwenza i-corruption liphelele emoyeni kube icala likaSenzo Meyi ukungenelela kwemedia nanokuthi balwele ukuthi broadcastwe yingakho i-EFF bekhombisa ukungajabuli uma ngabe icala lase-Western Cape is it Western Cape na Walter Sisulu University lapho khona benqabele khona ukuthi alinga-broadcastwa bethi basazobheka ukuthi akukho nabangakwenza ngokwesayidi lomthetho ukuthi bafuna i-broadcasting ngoba uma lento lezi zicacela umphakathi siyabona kwenzakalani yingakho kumkhonto wesizwe phathi uma uyovula icala ufuna ukuthi kube khona imedia sizokhuluma ngelinye ilanga ngokubaluleka kwemedia imedia-ke inento ezimbili imedia iyakwazi ukucontrol imiqondo yabantu ngoba mangabe imedia ihlose ukukhipha i-misinformation ngo-someone iyenza lonto ibe successful noma kungathi ungakhipha ubufakazi obungakanani ukuthi lowo muntu akayenzanga kodwa ngenxa ukuthi imedia ihamba isabalale nala singeke sifike khona wena nje njengomuntu bese lo muntu azeka kabi angenza umzekelo lento engishoyo kunento ekuthiwa i-corruption yamagupta noZuma nani angisho ukuthi ayikho angeke ukuthi ayikho kodwa kwahlala izondo Commission of Inquiry yahluleka ukuprova lokho kodwa emqondweni yabantu kusekhona into esho lokho njengoba ngishilo ukuthi angisho ukuthi akaze kwenzeke kodwa abakakuprove ukuthi nakho kwenzekile nangu sibanibani wachajwa waboshwa for lecala kodwa ngenxa yemedia namandla emedia okuphusha information ifike kubantu it doesn't matter whether lo information iyiqiniso noma ingamanga kodwa imedia inamandla okuthatha information isebantwini yingakho kumkhonto wesizwe phathi ufuna ukuthi akube khona amalunga ama-members wemedia ngoba fanele lento lezi zifike ebantwini ukuze nanoma kuthiwa ngoba phela lana kudilwa nomuntu omhlophe noma ngathiwa kunemali angasayikhiphe ngoba phela siyazi i-justice system yethu kodwa abantu bebe aware ukuthi kwenzakalani angingachithi isikhathi ngiyabonga kakhulu mina nawe fanele sidibane kwivideo elandelayo kodwa ngiyacela subscribe ushare ulike ucomment ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kwakho kulolu daba ungasupporta ngokujoin i-membership yale channel ilapha on your bottom right uklikha nje ujoin uqhubeka ufake information lapho iqala nje ku-40 rand ngenyanga kuya phezulu ungadonate futhi nanoma ngamalini onayo kuyi-comment ephiniwe la ku-comment section below ngiyabonga